Let's talk about that itch you've got, the one whispering the truth about perfecting business models. Do I regret not starting sooner? As a business advisor, I hear this question a lot, and the answer is always a resounding no. Here's why. The business model. Myth. The truth is, there's no such thing as a perfect business model. It's a seductive myth that can keep you stuck in analysis paralysis. Imagine a beautiful blueprint, detailed, comprehensive, seemingly flawless. But the business world isn't static. Markets shift, customer needs evolve, and competitors pop up overnight. Your blueprint, once perfect on paper, becomes outdated the moment you launch. The power of iteration. The key to success lies in embracing iteration. Think of it like building a ship. You have a general idea of where you want to go, but the journey is full of adjustments. You encounter rough seas, discover new islands, and need to adapt your course accordingly. See, the perfecting trap. Here's the trap many entrepreneurs fall into, spending months, even years, perfecting their model before launch. This delays valuable learning and feedback. The sooner you get your product or service in front of real customers, the sooner you can gather data, test assumptions, and refine your approach. Embrace the early start. Think of that early launch as a minimum viable product, MVP. It's a basic version that allows you to test the market and gather crucial feedback. It might not be perfect, but it gets you in the game, learning valuable lessons at every turn. The regret. Myth. Now, about that regret. Dwelling on what you should have done is a recipe for stagnation. Instead, channel that energy into action. Start crafting your message, even if the business model isn't fully formed. Talk to potential customers, validate your idea, and be prepared to pivot based on real-world feedback. The silver lining of delay. There's actually a hidden advantage to starting later. The business landscape is constantly evolving. Tools and resources that weren't available a few years ago might be readily accessible now. You might even have gained valuable experience and skills that make you a stronger entrepreneur today. So here's my advice. Stop chasing the perfect model. Embrace the power of iteration, get your MVP out there, and start learning. The journey will be full of twists and turns, but that's the beauty of entrepreneurship. And who knows, your story might become a case study for future entrepreneurs, proving that the truth about perfecting business models is that it's a journey